Welcome to the GreenWAVES staking bot tutorial. In this video, I will walk you through how the first Wallet Connect free staking system works. Let's get right into it. After you start the bot, you will see the main menu with all the necessary information for you later, like stake tokens, total rewards accumulated, APY, stake, withdraw, active, and past stakings. Let's start the staking and choose your preferred staking period. Copy your wallet address and send it to the bot to proceed. You will then see the staking deposit address. Copy it and send the amount of tokens you want to stake into that address. You won't have to connect your wallet or share any private keys with us, making this the safest and easiest way of staking. After you have done that, copy the transaction signature you got and send it to the bot. And that's it. You have successfully staked your tokens and your staking period has begun. Remember, this is a hybrid staking system, which means you will be able to access your tokens earlier than the locking period is finished, but you will be losing your rewards and get a 10% penalty for doing so. When your staking is finished, you will be able to withdraw your tokens with your rewards in the withdraw menu. The accumulated rewards are updated hourly, and more staking rewards can be earned because the staking rewards are filled up with profits that the GreenWAVES ecosystem makes. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.